In this first episode, we'll learn how to download and install Flutter SDK on our Windows computer. So the first thing we need to go online, go on Google, start typing Flutter. Then you click on this option right here for the official website, which is flutter.dev. Click on it, and then you click on the option Get Started. This will give you options to download Flutter SDK for Windows, Mac, Linux, or even Chrome OS. So, for this video, we'll learn how to install on Windows, and the upcoming video we'll also learn how to develop using Mac OS. So, click on the window options, and then you select this Android option right here. Then scroll down where it says right here, download and install. Click on this one, and then you download this zip file right here. Once you click on it, you will see that download will start automatically. Just wait for the download to be completed, and then we'll see what we have to do next. So I'm pausing this video right here, and I'll continue once the download is completed. Now that the download is completed, just click on open to show this download in a file. So what we do next is going into your computer. Let's use this disk C, and then user. Your user, in my case, is right here, Lizito. I will have to create a new folder to save this SDK file. So click on new folder. Let's name this folder Flutter Dev SDK. Enter. Now we have to go back to our download file. Click on it and then click right, and then you select the option extract all. Then we have now to go to our C, and then users, your user, and then let's select this folder right here. Select folder, extract. Okay, now that the extraction is completed, just open this Flutter folder, and then you come right here and click on this flutter_console.bat. This will open the command line. Now just type flutter doctor. Click enter, and this will start downloading the Flutter SDK. Just wait for the download to be completed, and then we'll do the next steps. As you can see right here, Flutter is already been installed, and then will tell us that we need to install Android Studio right here. The thing left to do is to update our environment variables. So click on this option, select the path, and then click on edit. Then you click on new, and now we have to provide the path for our Flutter SDK. So open your document, go inside of your Flutter right here, click on the bin, and then you click shift, click right, select this one right here, copy as path. Then you come inside of your environment, click on new, paste it, and then you have to remove right here this quotation marks right here, and then just click OK, and then OK again. Now you have to open a command line, so new cmd, and just type flutter doctor. If this command is recognized, that means that your Flutter is working inside of your computer. As you can see right here, it's complaining that we don't have Android Studio. So in the next video, we'll learn how to install Android Studio and how to create apps using it. See you on the next one.